Drone surveying is fast, reliable, and usually straightforward, until the day it isn't. Sometimes, things just don't go as planned during a flight, or you can't even launch a mission at all. At Aptella, we encourage customers to follow one simple rule: the 5-minute rule. If you can't fix it in 5 minutes, just use Tokara. Tokara gives Aptella technicians real-time remote access to your operator screen. Our experts can jump in instantly, guiding you, troubleshooting, and helping you finish your project without delay. From quick fixes to live training, Tokara keeps your workflow seamless and your team confident with drone operations. With Aptella and Tokara, you stay focused, connected, and in control of your work. Talk to our team today and learn more about our drone solutions backed by Tokara.